Have you heard the buzz? The no-sale profit system is about to launch, and it could completely change how affiliates earn money online. But here's the question everyone is asking. When does it actually go live? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the exact launch dates, what happens at each stage, and why missing these deadlines could cost you big time. Now, for those new here, the no-sale profit system isn't just another affiliate course. This is a pay-per-call system where you can earn $40 to $90 per qualified call without selling anything. That's right, no closing deals, no customer support, no complicated funnels, just calls that last over 10 seconds. And trust me, demand in niches like insurance, debt relief, and home services is huge right now. So, let's get into the official launch timeline, and you'll want to write this down. Pre-launch starts September 2nd. This is where the excitement begins. You'll see sneak peeks, early bird content, and even some bonuses for people who jump on the waitlist. Main webinar and launch on September 8th. This is the big day. The live event is where Chris Reeder and the team pull back the curtain, showing you exactly how the system works, the pay-per-call model, and the done-for-you tools you'll get. Plus, launch day bonuses that aren't available later. Cart closes on September 18th at midnight. That's it. Once the doors shut, you're either in or you wait months, maybe longer, for the next chance. And because this is tied to an exclusive buyer network, enrollment numbers are strictly limited. Now, you might be wondering, why such a short window? Simple. Too many affiliates could flood the network and reduce payouts. The team wants to provide proper support for early adopters, and they want to keep this system sustainable, not oversaturated. So the launch timing isn't random. It's carefully designed to protect the value of the program and your earning potential. If you're serious about this, here's how to prepare. Join the waitlist before September 2nd. Brush up on Facebook ads basics, since that's the main traffic source. Set aside a testing budget for ads. And most importantly, mark your calendar for the webinar on September 8th. So there you have it. September 2nd pre-launch, September 8th main webinar, and September 18th cart close. This 16-day window could be your shot at jumping into one of the most exciting affiliate models we've seen in years. If you want me to break down the income potential and niches that work best with the no-sale profit system, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below saying, "Show me the numbers." I'll create a full video on it. Don't wait until it's too late. This could be your biggest opportunity of 2025.